She works in night. She works at night. Which one is correct or which one is wrong? In this video, I will try to explain few common English mistakes. So welcome back to my channel, Upgrade English Pro. So let's begin. Number one mistake. He is working in night. So let's find out the mistake. Here in this sentence, using of in night is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of in night is wrong because in English, night uses the preposition at, not in. So we say at night means during the night time. So the correct usage is he works at night, she studies at night, we arrive at night. So in all the cases we use at for night. So compare time preposition. We use at for night, we use in for morning, afternoon, evening. So easy trick to remember is we always use at for night. So the correct sentence is he is working at night. Now come to mistake number 2. Pass out from college. So let's find out the mistake. Here using of pass out is wrong. Using of pass out is wrong because in international English, pass out means to become unconscious or faint. So let's understand by example. He passed out because of heat. He suddenly passed out. In both the cases, according to international English, we use pass out. So the correct expression is when studies are completed, English uses graduate from. So let's understand by example. I graduated from college last year. She graduated from Delhi University. Why learners say pass out? Because in Indian English, pass out is commonly used for completing studies, but globally it means faint, unconscious. So easy trick to remember is for college completed always use graduate, for unconscious use pass out. So the correct sentence is graduate from college. Now come to mistake number 3. She reached office at night. So let's find out the mistake. Here in this sentence, using of only office is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of only office is wrong because office is a countable noun and refers to a specific place. So English uses the article in this case. So instead of only office, it should be the office. So the correct structure is reach followed by the plus place. So let's understand by example. She reached the office at 9. He reached the airport early. So important note is that for some places English sometimes drops the article. Go to school, go to college, go to bed. So here we are not using the. So easy trick to remember, for a specific place or workplace we use the. So the correct structure is she reached the office at 9. Now come to mistake number 4. He is my close friend for 10 years. So let's find out the mistake. Here using of is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Here using of only is wrong because the incident started in past that still continues now. So for this, English uses present perfect continuous. So instead of is, it should be has, have, been. So the correct structure, let's understand. Subject followed by has, have been plus noun, either for or since plus time. So let's understand by example. She has been my teacher for 5 years. They have been neighbors since 2022. So in both the cases, incident started in past, but it still continues. So the correct sentence is, he has been my close friend for 10 years. Now come to mistake number 5. She is very intelligent girl. So let's find out the mistake. She is very intelligent girl. Here only using of very is wrong. So let's understand the reason. Using of only very is wrong because girl is a singular countable noun. So it needs an article e or an. So intelligent girl only is wrong. It should be a very intelligent girl. So let's understand the correct structure. Subject followed by be plus en, article plus adjective plus noun. So let's understand by examples. He is a smart boy. It is an interesting book. So let's understand by more examples. He is good teacher. It is wrong. He is a good teacher. She is beautiful girl. It is wrong. She is a beautiful girl. So the easy trick to remember this, for singular noun always use article a or an. The correct sentence is, she is a very intelligent girl. So comment below, which mistake do you use most? I will fix it in the next video. So please like, follow and subscribe this channel.